Leno was all smiles at a petrol garage today following his hospital release. The comedian suffered third-degree burns after a fire erupted as he worked on one of his classic cars. In latest pictures of the star, scars on his hands, face and neck could be seen. Despite this, however, Jay appeared in high spirits as he filled up his car with gas. The 72-year-old went on to flash a peace sign to cameras before heading back into his car. Yesterday, the television star posed with medical staff who treated him at the Grossman Burn Center. Doctors said in a press release, after a 10-day stay at the facility, Jay will receive follow-up care at the Grossman Outpatient Burn Clinic for burns to his face, chest and hands he received during a fire at his home garage, doctors shared in the press release. Jay would like to let everyone know how thankful he is for the care he received, and is very appreciative of all of the well wishes. He is looking forward to spending Thanksgiving with his family and friends and wishes everyone a wonderful holiday.